Hello class 12 accountancy period. The chapter dissolution is in progress. Today we are doing illustration number 3rd. The partners are X and Y who are sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 4:1. As usual, we are preparing 3 accounts: realization, partner capital and bank account. First, the task is same. First item is bank. Two balance brought down rupees 20,000. Then we have given debtors. Two debtors 17,000. Provision is also given. By provision for bad debts rupees 2,000. Then we have given stock, investment, furniture, building. Two stock, two investment, two furniture, two building. The amount is rupees 15, 25, 6,000, 19,000, and then we have given goodwill, two goodwill. Here in this chapter, goodwill be treated like other assets, no separate treatment. And then we have given profit and loss. It is loss for us, and loss will be divided among partners in the ratio 4:1. So it will be 8,000 and 2,000. X capital account debit, Y capital account debit to a realization account. Now let us complete the liability side. By creditors, then we have given by bank overdraft, then we have given X brother loan. So by X brother loan, he is outside party. The amount is 868, 8,000, 6,000, 8,000, and X loan is also given over here. X is partner. For this, a separate account is to be prepared. X loan account, by balance brought down rupees 3,000. Why we are showing this loan on credit side? Because it is liability. And next is investment fluctuation fund. We told earlier also, we discussed earlier also, if we have investment on asset side, the investment fluctuation fund is to be shown on the credit without any separate treatment, that is 5,000 rupees. And then we have given capital of X and Y by balance brought down 50,000 and 40,000. So this is our first task, to complete the balance sheet by transferring all assets in realization debit side, liabilities outside liabilities in credit side, bank into bank account, capital into capital account. If we have reserves, we are going to transfer on credit side. Here in this sum, loss is given, that's why we are writing it on debit side. Now, adjustment. X is agreed to pay off his brother loan. X is ready to pay this loan. We are making the payment of liability. That's why entry will come on debit side. Who will be paying? X. So 2X capital. How much amount? 8,000 rupees. X is paying this loan of his brother on behalf of her. So later on he will get this money from her. So here entry is on debit side. So now we will be crediting by realization account. 8,000 rupees. Entry will be realization account debit to X capital. Next, debtors owe rupees 5,000 through bad. Total debtors were of 17,000 rupees, and some says that 5,000 rupees debtors are bad. It means how much money realized from debtor? 12,000 rupees. Let us show over here by bank accounts how much debtors amount is realized to us. 12,000 rupees. 17,000 रुपए के डेटर दिए हैं हमारे पास. Some is saying that 5,000 रुपए के डेटर्स बैड डेट्स हो गए. तो what does it mean? It means remaining money realized from debtors. Next point is other assets realized as follows. To investment 20% less. Investment 20% less. Investment was 25. 20% less mean 5,000 rupees. How much money we are getting? 20,000 rupees. हमें कितना रुपया मिलेगा? 20,000 रुपए. Next, goodwill at 60%. Here in some goodwill is also sold. 60%. Goodwill was 10,000, so we are getting 6,000 rupees. Next entry. One of the creditors rupees 5,000 was paid only 3,000. Our total creditor were 8,000. Out of that 8,000, one creditor of 5,000 agreed to pay to take rupees 3,000. So let us make the heading to bank and let us write over here 3,000 rupees. 5,000 के क्रेडिटर को हमने 3,000 रुपए का कैश पे किया है. Next, building were auctioned for 30,000. Auction means through bidding. बिल्डिंग है सोल्ड, बोली के थ्रू मार्केट में बिल्डिंग को बेचा गया है और उसके ऊपर 1,000 रुपए का कमीशन लिया है बिडिंग द्वारा. तो हाउ मच मनी वी आर गेटिंग बाय सेलिंग ऑफ बिल्डिंग? बिल्डिंग अकाउंट सोल्ड फॉर 30 and 1,000 is commission. तो इन एग्जैक्ट हाउ मच मनी इज कमिंग टू अस? 29,000 rupees. Actual money like we will show over here. Next amount, next entry, sorry. Y took over part of stock at 4,000. Y ने एक स्टॉक का पार्ट ले लिया 4,000 रुपए में. Leave this space and write over here by Y capital. 4,000 रुपए में उसने स्टॉक लिया है. He is taking assets. We are not going to give this assets as free of cost. So where this entry will come? Realization account credit side and Y account debit side. We are reducing his capital because money is to be taken from Y. And some says that ये जो 4,000 रुपए के एसेट्स है ये बुक वैल्यू से 20% कम में लिया गया है. हमारे पास टोटल स्टॉक 15,000 रुपए का है. उस 15,000 के स्टॉक में से कुछ स्टॉक वाई ने लिया है. वाई ने वो स्टॉक 4,000 रुपए में लिया है और वैल्यू रिड्यूस 20% लेस में है जितने रुपए का भी वो स्टॉक था. तो इसको कैसे करेंगे? वी विल डू व्हाट वाज द बुक वैल्यू. Book value is equal to 100 divided by 80 into 4,000 rupees. 100 into 80. उसकी book value 100 है. He took at 80, 20% less. And at what price he took? 4,000 rupees. So it will come, my dear, 5,000 rupees. उसने ये स्टॉक कितने का था? ये 5,000 रुपए का स्टॉक था और वो 4,000 रुपए में ले लिया. If you reduce 5,000 into 20%, it becomes 1,000. It means he took it at 4,000. Right? Now 5,000 रुपए का स्टॉक उसने 4,000 रुपए में लिया. टोटल स्टॉक वाज 10,000. हाउ मच मनी लेफ्ट नाउ? 10,000 रुपए. और वो 10,000 रुपए का स्टॉक हमने मार्केट में कितने का बेचा है डियर? 50% रियलाइज्ड. तो हियर आई विल राइट स्टॉक 50% बिकम 5,000 rupees. In this way, this is the new point of stock over here. And last point is realization expense paid rupees 2,000. So under two bank realization expense rupees 2,000. All adjustment over. Now let us see all outside liabilities paid or not. Provision for bad debt is not an outside liability, so we are not going to pay it. Creditor 5,000 rupees creditor paid at 3. Then how much creditor left? 3,000. Some is not saying anything, so it means we will be paying remaining creditors as it is. Then creditor paid BOD 6,000 already paid. Ex brother loan already paid. So there were two liabilities only. So it becomes 8,000 rupees. Money is going. So where this entry will come? Bank account credit side by realization 8,000 rupees. And here total amount realized from asset 32, 38, 43. This 72,000 rupees is realizing. Where this money will come? Bank account debit side to realization 72,000. ध्यान रखें, logically we are explaining each and everything. We are telling through the journal entry also. If even you are unable to understand, always keep one thing in mind. एक चीज को हमेशा ध्यान रखें, हमारी हर एंट्री क्रॉस में चलेगी. सबसे पहले मैंने एसेट्स को यहाँ ट्रांसफर किया था, सोल सेल यहाँ हो रही है. चाहे पार्टनर ले रहा है तब भी यहीं आ रही है और नकद बेच रहे हैं तब भी यहीं आ रही है. और यहाँ से एंट्री फिर क्रॉस में जाएगी. यहाँ एंट्री अगर क्रेडिट में है तो देखिए बैंक में मैं डेबिट में लेके आया हूँ. यहाँ वाई ने एसेट्स ली थी तो वाई के अकाउंट में डेबिट में चली गई. Here I transferred liability here. Now I am making the payment of liability here. If any partner will be paying the liability, entry is coming on debit side. and from there now entries are going on credit because all entries are here on debit side. Now अब वो credit में जाएंगे. So in this way we have done today another sum for dissolution of partnership firm. So this is one more new point came in this sum. Now we will be doing next sum in next video. Thank you very much.